MG's electric sports coupe heads into production this year. Along with the new Cyber GTS, the existing Cyberster Roadster will also receive improvements, 2 years after its debut. MG's new Cyber GTS electric coupe features a fixed roof and a 2+2 interior layout. The production version of the coupe will mirror the design of last year's concept. The 2026 Cyberster gets new colors, along with upgrades to its interior and chassis. The MG Cyberster made its debut in 2023, but the SAIC-owned brand is already rolling out upgrades for the 2026 model year in China. Among the most notable additions is the new 2+2 coupe variant, aptly named the Cyber GTS. Visually, the coupe will be nearly identical to the MG Cyber GTS concept that was showcased at last year's Goodwood Festival of Speed, though it will swap out the concept's alloy wheels for something a little more production-friendly. While it shares much of its bodywork with the Roadster version, the fixed roof and redesigned rear end make the coupe even more visually striking. The coupe's greenhouse shape hints at the discontinued Jaguar F-Type, keeping alive the British tradition, even if it's under Chinese ownership now, of sleek, performance-driven coupes. Without the need for a convertible roof mechanism and with a reshaped roofline, the Cyber GTS adopts a 2+2 interior layout, offering a bit more practicality than its drop-top counterpart. Joseph Cabin, the company's design chief, notes that the overwhelmingly positive reception to the concept was a key factor in MG's decision to move forward with the production of the Cyber GTS. According to Autocar that spoke with the designer, the car is expected to launch in October 2025, potentially coinciding with the 60th anniversary of the classic MG GT. Alongside the new coupe variant, the MG Cyberster Roadster is also receiving some upgrades. While the exterior remains largely unchanged, including the signature upwards opening doors, the color palette has expanded to include 2 new shades, Iris Green and Andes Gray. Additionally, MG has introduced a special Cyberster Black Edition, which boasts new alloy wheels. Inside, the Roadster's interior has received a few updates as well. Upholstery options now include black/red and gray/white combinations, and new features include electric lumbar support for both the driver and passenger, a new wind deflector, and an improved voice recognition system. According to Chinese media outlet Autohome, the 2026 mg Cyberster will also benefit from revised chassis tuning and improvements to battery life. However, there's no word yet on any changes to the electric powertrain or the available battery options. For reference, the current model offers 2 powertrain options: a rear-wheel drive setup with 335 horsepower, 250 kilowatts/340 PS, or a more powerful all-wheel drive variant with 536 horsepower, 400 kilowatts/544 PS. In China, buyers can choose between 64 kilowatt-hours and 77 kilowatt-hour battery packs. As the 2026 mg Cyberster and Cyber GTS approach their market launch in China, we can expect more details to emerge, particularly as MG gears up to expand its Cyber series. Also on the horizon is the production version of the Cyber X electric SUV, further expanding the brand's electric lineup in the coming years.